Today's idiom is the company will ramp up production next month. This means to significantly increase the level, speed, or amount of something in a progressive, structured way. It evokes a physical ramp as upward incline, suggesting a gradual yet impactful boost. From mid-20th century industrial contexts, it describes intentional increases in output or effort. A key business phrase. Let's look at examples. The software team decided to ramp up their efforts on the new feature before launch, meaning increased work intensity. And we need to ramp up our marketing campaign if we want more customers this quarter, showing intensified campaign scale. Both illustrate increasing effort or activity towards a goal.
Similar phrases include scale up and accelerate. Scale up means increasing size or scope, like a business. Accelerate emphasizes increasing speed. Ramp up implies a controlled, steady progression of activity. Scale up focuses on capacity. Ramp up increases current output. Choose the best fit. To recap, ramp up means to progressively increase output or activity, like climbing a physical ramp. Rooted in industrial contexts, it describes planned increases in business, projects, or efforts. It signifies a controlled, steady buildup. Incorporate this idiom to enhance your English when discussing growth or activity. I'll see you next time with another great expression.